California Conservatory of Music, our faculty is comprised of experienced musicians who bring a wealth of teaching experience. Additionally, many of our instructors are currently performers in the Bay Area. From classical to contemporary styles, our programs cover various genres, providing a well-rounded musical education. CCM hosts free biannual recitals to all of our students at the Mountain View Center for the Performing Arts. These events not only build confidence, but also allow students to experience performing with an audience. Our locations offer students an ideal learning environment. Spacious studios, high-quality instruments, and a comfortable setting make CCM a top choice for parents who want their children to learn in a state-of-the-art environment. We foster an environment where students collaborate, learn from each other, and build lasting relationships. We have violin and guitar ensemble programs with sessions during the spring and fall. Our instructors do a great job of personalizing the lessons to the student's age, level, and learning style. Many of our students have gone on to win competitions, earn scholarships, and achieve professional acclaim. Bay Area parents choose CCM for this proven track record of excellence. Our nurturing approach ensures that students not only excel musically, but also develop a lifelong love for music. With locations in Redwood City and Sunnyvale, our schools are situated in community-friendly areas. CCM has a long-standing legacy in the Bay Area. Our history and reputation as a leading music school give parents confidence in our ability to provide the best music education for their children. Learn more through our latest blog post.